Hey friends, this is Kathy. You're watching Kathy at Home, and I welcome you back. And today's video is all about decorating for Valentine's Day. And you may think it's a little early for that, but I'm gonna tell you, I'm going to be doing some things with some Dollar Tree stuff. I'm going to give it a new life. And if you don't get on it and get to Dollar Tree pretty quick, you won't be able to find any of this stuff. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you some of these little craft projects that I am doing to decorate my home. You know, Valentine's Day comes and goes so fast. So I just didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on decorating for Valentine's, but I want just a little bit of Valentine's-y stuff. So I've got my pink sweatshirt on. I'm down here in the basement and I'm in the floor and we're gonna start on our first project, and let me just show you some of the things that are involved in it. So I found this really pretty Fitz and Floyd container, and I thought, well, that would be really cute with some flowers in it. So these are some flowers. They're little white hydrangeas, and they were in the 75% off Christmas decor at Walmart. So really, the only thing that I bought for this project, I got the floral foam, and I got some little pink hearts at Dollar Tree, and everything else I had at the house. So let's put together a little Valentine's arrangement, and after Valentine's Day, I can take the hearts out and it can just be a pretty little arrangement for the house. Here we go. So I'm just gonna add all these little bunches of flowers. And after I got started, I was thinking maybe I should have trimmed the stem at the bottom, but it worked out in the end. So let's just get these arranged and see how they look. Then I thought, well, I had these little greenery stems, so I thought I will fill in the bottom so that I can't see the floral foam because I didn't have any moss or anything. So I just added those, and that sort of filled everything in the bottom so it looked a little fuller. The good thing about making these flower arrangements is it's so easy. You know, you don't have to have any level of creativity. Anybody can do it. So the challenge is finding the flowers and the stems that are not so expensive. And of course, I do love the ones at Hobby Lobby. I think they're gorgeous, but I prefer it when they are, 40 or 50% off. I am not going to pay full price for those, but they are beautiful, and when you can get them on sale, go ahead and get them, even if you're not sure what you're going to do with them specifically, if there's something pretty that you like. And save them up for when you come across a beautiful container like the one I found at Goodwill. So here's what we've got so far. Now let's add a little bit of Valentine interest. So I did, these are some stems that I got at Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. They can clip on, but I didn't clip them on. They just didn't lay the way I wanted them to. I kind of played around with them a little bit, but I just kind of placed those in the floral foam in the front, and it just gives it a little hint of Valentine-y goodness. So I think that this turned out pretty sweet in the end, and I can change it for whatever season that I would like to, and I can save these again and reuse them again next year for Valentine's. So the first thing I did was take the tag off of the little plastic container, and then I got out the tree and I fluffed it all up. And is that not the cutest little light pink tree you ever saw? So once I get that going, I am going to get my little container for it all set up and put my tree in the floral foam. I didn't add any hot glue or anything. I just sort of put it in there, and then I surrounded it with the tissue paper so that it had a nice solid base, and that seemed to work pretty good. So we'll get all that set up, and that worked out good with the tissue paper because then you can't see the floral foam, and because I don't want to see that. It's not very pretty. And then I took the garland and I just wrapped it around and kind of tucked it in so that gives me the fullness that I want in my little Valentine tree. And then I had a little bit left over at the end, so I'll show you what I did with that. And then I added my cute little lights. And these lights took a little two batteries, and then I just sort of stuck the little battery pack where I could still get to it, sort of on the side of the container, so I can turn those lights on and off. And I think those really, really make it cute. They also had some little heart lights at Dollar Tree, but I like these. I think that they're very sweet, and they are sort of a pink color. The next thing I did was hang the sweet little ornaments that I got, and two of them didn't have strings on them, so I just saved those for something else. And then I cut off the little clip that was on the end of this little group of hearts and made that stem a little bit shorter, and I didn't even add any hot glue. I just really just placed it in the top of the tree, and it was secure. And I didn't like the way that it looked. It seemed like it needed to be fuller, so I hot glued the smaller hearts onto each of these larger hearts, and I think that made it look really cute. So I had a lot of these hearts left, and I just decided that I was going to bend the little stems and then hot glue those on. Of course, I had to burn my fingers while I was doing that. You can't tell it in the video, but there were times when I jerked my hand back really fast because I was burning my fingers. So I added those just sporadically around to kind of fill in any of the spaces. And I think it's turning out really cute so far. Got a few more little things to do here. So let's keep on going. Hot gluing, burning my fingers. And then I've got the tool, and I decided that I was going to wrap the bottom of the container that I have as my base and kind of give that a little bit more interest and make it a little fluffier. So that's what I did. And I had some of the tulle left over, and I also had a little bit of the garland left over, so I just cut those in small pieces and tucked those in throughout the tree. So I figure I spent around $10 to make this tree. Wouldn't this be a cute project to do with your kids or your grandkids? I mean, they would have so much fun with it. And I think that it makes a cute little Valentine's decoration for not a whole lot of money. I mean, you can go on Amazon and find little Valentine trees, and I guarantee you're going to pay a whole lot more, and they're not going to be as cute as this one. So you guys try this out. Get yourself to Dollar Tree and get those materials before they're all sold out, because they go fast. Anyway. That's our tree, and I'm loving it. I hope this gave you a little inspiration on doing some low budget ideas for Valentine's Day, and I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for staying till the end, and if you like what you see here, give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel and leave me some comments. Hope you're doing well, and I send you big hugs as always. Talk to you soon, you guys. Bye-bye.